These scones are so delicious. You got the sweet cranberry, crunchy walnuts, and all the other healthy ingredients. Easy to make, you're gonna love them. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making delicious cranberry walnut scones. These are so good. You got the sweet cranberries, the crunchy walnuts, and all the other healthy ingredients. I had stopped eating scones for a long time because they're full of a lot of bad ingredients. Well, the ones I like anyways, but this is my favorite. I love them. They're perfect for breakfast, lunch, snacks, anytime. The ingredients in this recipe are white whole wheat flour, baking powder, kosher salt, coconut or date sugar, and I have coconut sugar, flax meal, chopped walnuts, dried cranberries, soy milk, grapeseed or canola oil, and I have grapeseed oil, vanilla, and a cooking spray. So the first thing that you need to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees, which I've already done. Next, you're going to go ahead and spray a baking sheet with cooking spray. And set this aside. Next, you need a mixing bowl, and we're going to add the dry ingredients to the mixing bowl. So first we have 2 cups of lightly packed white whole wheat flour, and this is different from regular whole wheat flour. You can use regular whole wheat flour or whole wheat pastry flour. If you do that, the scones will be a little bit more dense, heavy, and not as sweet. This white whole wheat flour is very sweet and lightens up your baked goods. So I have 2 cups. Make sure it's lightly packed. And I had trouble finding white whole wheat flour, but I did find it at Trader Joe's. So that's a good place. Let me know if you find it at other stores. So next we have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, or a salt that you prefer, a 1/4 cup of coconut or date sugar, and I have coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of flax meal, and that's just ground up flax seeds. You can buy it already ground, or you can grind your own like in a coffee grinder. That's a good way to grind up grains and seeds. Then a 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts, a 1/3 cup of dried cranberries, and we're just going to go ahead and mix all the ingredients well. Okay, I like to, if your cranberries are stuck together, I like to just go in and pull them apart, just so they're evenly distributed in your scones, and also I think they look pretty when they're really colorful. If you have a lot, just use both your hands. Just gonna wash my hands real quick. Okay, in a separate bowl, we're gonna mix together our liquid ingredients. We have 2/3 cup of soy milk, and I have organic soy milk. If you can get that, that's good. And I haven't tried any other like almond milk or coconut milk with it. I like the fact that there's more protein in the soy milk. Okay, then we have 1/3 cup of grapeseed oil, or you could use canola oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So go ahead and with a fork or a whisk your ingredients together so they're very well combined. Okay, that's pretty well combined. Next, we're going to mix the liquid mixture into the dry mixture using a fork. We're going to combine it really well till all the ingredients are moistened. Okay, once the ingredients are completely mixed together, we're going to go ahead and form a ball. But I actually love working with dough, and this is a really nice soft dough. Okay, once you have your dough into a ball, go ahead and put it on your baking sheet. Then press it flat, and then if it splits apart, kind of push it back together. Make it into about a 7-inch circle. If you're not sure about how big it is, you can use something to measure it. So here's, okay, that's pretty good. Next, we're going to go ahead and score the dough into 8 equal sections. So you probably want a pretty big knife to do that. Okay, so you don't want to pull it apart. You want it cut, but don't pull the pieces apart. So we're going to go put it in the oven just like this. So we're going to bake our scones 20 to 22 minutes or until they're golden brown. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes and check them then. Okay, my timer went off. Let's check them. Let's go try them. Okay, here's our cranberry walnut scones. They smell so delicious. So let's try one. Now you can finish cutting them into pieces. And these are very delicious, just like they are. You could add toppings, butter, peanut butter, cream cheese, anything, but I just love them how they are. You can serve them warm or cold. If I make extra, I put them in the freezer, take them out, you can let them thaw, eat them just how they are. I've warmed them up in the microwave, toaster oven. Anyways, they're delicious all different ways. So let's try some. It's so good. You're gonna love these. I hope you can try them, and I'll see you in the next lesson.